Hi, my name is Joe. I'm one of the co-founders here at Metroun. In today's video, we'll be looking at quantity surveying salaries from Apprentice QS all the way to commercial manager. As you know, we've already created two of these videos in the past, one in 2021 and one in 2023. And due to the market changing so vastly, we'll be creating a new video each and every year. Please note that the salaries explained in these videos are averages. So if you're based in Scotland, expect potentially 20% lower. If you're in London, expect 20% higher. Okay, on with the video. Apprentice or Trainee Quantity Surveyor, 24,500. If you're fortunate enough to secure a position with an employer who's willing to fund your education, it's likely you'll join as an apprentice or trainee QS. You might think this is a low salary, but unlike people who are studying full-time at university, you'll be gaining valuable on-the-job experience while receiving a free education. We believe this is an outstanding opportunity for anyone aiming to get their career started in quantity surveying. Assistant or graduate quantity surveyor, £32,500. This role is for people who've just completed a degree in quantity surveying or received a promotion from trainee/apprentice QS. At this level, you'll most likely start to obtain responsibility for managing your own projects or work packages. You'll have a mentor or line manager who will either be a QS or a senior QS and will ensure you're on the right track to progress into an experienced quantity surveyor. Quantity surveyor, £51,000. You've made it, a fully qualified, experienced, all singing, all dancing quantity surveyor. And better yet, you still have room to grow. At this stage, you'll likely have at least 5 to 10 years experience in the industry. Here, you can enjoy the fruits of your hard work or even embark on obtaining chartership. Senior quantity surveyor, £65,000. At this stage, you'll be a fountain of knowledge in the world of quantity surveying. Aspiring quantity surveyors will travel far and wide across the lands to hear your wisdom. Okay, maybe they won't travel across lands, but you'll certainly be able to give solid commercial advice and use your experience to mentor junior surveyors. At this stage, you may opt to freelance as a QS. As a freelancer, you can look to charge between £500 to £600 a day. Managing quantity surveyor, £78,600. If you think you've got the leadership skills to manage a team of quantity surveyors, this will be the role for you. You don't necessarily need any more experience than a senior quantity surveyor to reach this level. However, you will need to know how to successfully manage people, delegate work, and create management processes to ensure a streamlined commercial process. And finally, commercial manager, £88,000. The salary expectations for commercial managers can vary greatly, depending on the level of responsibility held. At this level, you'll be responsible for commercial aspects of the business sector. This can be anything from a large framework to multiple construction projects. You'll need to ensure that the correct people, procedures, and contracts are in place to ensure the business is profitable and there's sufficient level of work in the pipeline to ensure future commercial success. You'll have good risk management and financial reporting abilities. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.